It's hard to believe. This woman is a genius. She built a real stove from scrap metal in just 3 days. With only 3 days left before a blizzard hit, she didn't buy any winter gear. Instead, she spent the last of her money on an old, worn-out iron barrel. Her neighbors laughed at her, and even her family thought she was wasting money. But she knew exactly what she was doing. She was going to make sure everyone would be taken care of this winter. First, she needed to make a hole in the barrel. At first, she tried to trace a circle using a pot lid, but the lid wouldn't stay in place. Frustrated, she switched to a water bucket. And this time, it was easy to draw a perfect line. Next, she cut 2 round holes, one for the oven door, and the other for a secondary air intake. Then she cut long slits at the bottom for the venting holes in the stove walls. The stove was starting to take shape. She cut curved metal pieces, created a secondary air chamber, and even turned it into an oven. Using a 4x4 metal tube, she cut it in half to make 2 air ducts. But there was a problem: the ducts cracked during welding, so she had to re-weld them. Then, the final touches began. She welded an ashtray box and added a small drawer to make cleaning the ashes easier. She sealed the stove's top completely, so no smoke would escape, and attached